Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence. So today we will be giving you the full tutorial on how to make the Irish moss. And special thanks to Mrs. Shirley Nooks for giving me this recipe. Very delicious. Thank you so much, Mama. Here, this is the seaweed and also the sea moss, and we have divided it in two. Well, it's two separate, and we have divided them in two parts because we actually made two parts of it. So we'll be using the sea moss, which is the lighter one, for this drink. So yes, you would want to wash the sea moss very carefully and very well. You can actually soak it for a few minutes, or you can just wash it out, and yes, wash it really good in fresh water. So yes, you want to add it to the pot of water and let it boil. And in boiling, you will boil it for probably about half an hour. You can do it on low heat, but yes, remember to lift the lid as it can boil over. And yes, add some salt to it. And we did do, like I said, we did do 2 runs of it. And this first batch, we did not use the flaxseed and the cinnamon leaves, but you will see it later where we used the flaxseed and the cinnamon leaves. So yes, this is the gel. It's you would put it down and let it cool before you actually use it. So here we have the cinnamon leaves. Thanks to Mama for this this added tip. And yes, you want to add some flaxseed, or we call it linseed in Jamaica, and you can add that to the boiling. And what it will do, it will soften. The heat will soften the flaxseed. So for this recipe or this drink, the ingredients are as follows: 4 cups of water, 2 half a cup of seaweed, or half a cup to a cup of seaweed. Also, you will need vanilla to sweeten. You'll need almond milk. We use the powdered almond milk, and also we use the allspice with cinnamon and some other spices in it. And yes, definitely you can use cinnamon leaves in the boiling, or if you don't have the cinnamon leaves, you can use nutmeg. And definitely, well, I added lime to it because the seaweed is raw. And so if even in washing it, because it comes from the sea, so definitely I added the lime. That's my added feature to it. But yes, you want to add the nutmeg. So I did about half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon cinnamon spice, and you can put your other spice in there that you would do. Anise powder is a good one. And yes, I blended the powder into, and this is almond milk. So this is vegan style. I know many Jamaicans like your condensed milk. If you want to do that, that's up to you. So this is vegan style Irish moss. And I added the lime in it to help to cut the taste, or because as I said before, the sea moss it comes with that rawness to it, but it's very good. It's a great drink to build your body. If you have not seen the previous video on the benefits of sea moss gel and Irish moss drink, we do say Irish mosh in Jamaica, but it's Irish moss. So yes, you can definitely check in the description section of this video for the video with the benefits of Irish moss or sea moss gel. So I added the juice of 1 lime to the drink. This video is specifically the tutorial for the Irish moss, the bodybuilder. Yes, it has a lot of benefits which we did cover in the previous video. This batch that we're doing gave us about 3 cups, about 3 cups of Irish moss. If you don't have the flaxseed, you can do it as we did it. As I said, we did it, the first batch was done without the flaxseed. But one benefit of adding the flaxseed to it is that it will help to add body to the Irish moss. And yes, with the Irish moss, you definitely want to put it to chill, so you drink it chilled. And yes, it's a great flavor, and yes, ready to drink. Definitely share in the comments section of this video if you have tried it, and if you plan to try it, and how it is, if you've tried it, or when you try it, how it is, how do you enjoy. And yes, if there's anything else you would ask, and this is just 1 or 2 ways of making it. Yes, it was very enjoyable, and I hope you get a chance to try it one of these days. So do enjoy vegan Jamaican Irish moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.